Hello everyone, I would like to show you how I make tamarind paste or extract at home which stays good for at least 3 months when properly stored in refrigerator without using any artificial preservatives. I don't deny the fact that freshly extracted tamarind paste is the best, but this recipe is meant for those busy mornings when we find it difficult to soak tamarind, extract the juice out of it and make some recipes which involve tamarind paste. Here I am taking 250 grams tamarind, whereas I'm removing all the strings and the seeds. Hardly I got one seed out of the 250 grams quantity of tamarind. Then we have to soak this tamarind in enough water. If we take room temperature water, we have to soak it for 2 hours. Otherwise, if it is hot water, when we don't have time, we can soak in hot water, then 1 hour is sufficient. Here I am using room temperature water, so I am soaking for 2 hours. There is no fixed ratio or quantity of water. We have to immerse the tamarind, that's it. I just immerse tamarind in water, close with a lid and soak for 2 hours. After 2 hours, I am showing you the tamarind has become soft. I am squeezing with hand. If you are not comfortable using hand, then you can use a spatula, but I am used to squeezing with hand, which actually works the best, I can say. Here it has become little hard, so I'm using little more water so that it becomes running and it becomes easy for me to extract the juice. You can keep on adding as much water as you want as long as you feel comfortable. Here I'm using this sieve to filter because the pulp has to be filtered to extract the juice. I'm using again my hand, my fingers to sieve. See the extract we can see which is in the below vessel. After a little time, maybe I took 7-8 minutes after extracting the juice, this is the pulp which I am left out with. This has hardly got any juice. I tried my maximum, so I've put it in another bowl again, added little water and I'm just filtering it with my hand. I didn't use any sieve because this doesn't take much time, as this is towards the end of extracting the juice. See the below vessel, you can see there is a lot of tamarind water. We can say this is very thin. Now put it on the stove. Add 1/4 cup of salt. Here salt is the preservative. I'm not adding any other preservative here. This consistency is very thin. We have to keep on boiling on low to medium flame till it becomes little thick. The consistency will become little thicker and it keeps spilling all over. So that is the signal that we have to stop boiling further. See, we can see bubbles, a lot of bubbles. This is almost after 25 minutes of boiling in low to medium flame. Put off the stove, keep the vessel aside, let it come down to room temperature. This has got thickened a little more after coming down to room temperature. Now we can store this in glass containers. Put it in the fridge, and when we don't use any wet hand or wet spoon, this stays good even for 6 months. Here for 250 grams quantity, I got 1150 grams of the solution. This tamarind extract I got. This is for your information I am telling. So this is how I do. I don't use it regularly, but when I don't have time, I use it. When I have time, I soak tamarind properly in some water and then I use for cooking. Hope you find this useful. I'll catch up with you very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.